guys, welcome to another video. Today we are installing the rear fog light on my STI, and it goes right here. If you haven't seen it before, it's this little insert that pops out. This light was specifically made for this spot, so it fits perfect, and I think it's really nice because it's super bright. It's very distracting on the road, and I'm really scared of someone rear-ending me because when you put this much love into a car, you'd rather not someone kill it. So, starting with the box, I ordered this on Amazon. Links below if you want to order it. And let's open it up and see what's inside. I got the one with the red lens. I don't like there's some like with reverse lights and stuff. I'm just a fan of the red. It just looks clean. Here we go. It's iJDM Toy is the brand. Warning, a couple of wiring clips. Actually bigger in person than I thought it would be. Then we have the wiring right here. We have our positive. We have our ground, and then the green is for the blinking, I believe. Before we start installing, I wanted to show you guys this cool air compressor Adu sent me, I think the name is called. I'll leave a link in the description on Amazon, but this tire's a little bit low on the mini truck. Yes, we are still working on that in progress. I just replaced all the AC components, so I got air conditioning in it now, and it's got a cigarette plug. Let's plug it in. There's an on and off switch on the side. I got that on there. Turn it on. Let me turn the car on. Got about 50 PSI. Shut it off. It's a little high. This is a chill little air compressor if you need one. They're really cheap. On Amazon, I'll leave the link below to order it. In case you have an emergency on the road and you have a low tire, you can just pump it up with that, throw it in your trunk, it fits anywhere. On to the install. First things first, I'm gonna take this plastic off the light right here and put some painter's tape on it actually to protect it from getting scratched while I put it in. The bracket comes attached to it. I'm just gonna take my stubby screwdriver and pull it off. There's 3 clips on the back side of this. Just go ahead and pop them off. Pull this guy off. Over here, there's some more clips. There's one right there. One right here. Now we can pull this out of the way. Starting from right here, let's go under. And all we have to do is pop off this clip right here, this clip right here, and that gives us access to in there. To pop out the current vent, there's the 2 squares on the bottom. All you gotta do is push those in with a flathead screwdriver and it should pop out. Voila! Got everything out of the way. Gonna run the wires through right here. Pull them out the bottom. Slide that in there. Once everything's out of the trunk, all you need to know is that you run the wires through this guy right here. I cut a slit in it with a razor blade from underneath, ran the wires up to it. It's pretty easy to do. You don't need any visuals to see how it's done because you'll see the light coming through the hole. Then you'll run it up. Have your buddy come and grab them if you can. If not, you can stuff them through. It wouldn't be a problem. And then these wires are long enough to come up here, and then you're gonna unplug the tail light plug right here, and this has all the wires that we need to tap into. But next I'm going to hook up the bracket that holds the light in place to the bumper. I can go ahead and take off this clip right here just to make it easier for the bracket. If you notice, the little legs are on the bottom, so make sure you have the bracket in the right orientation. On the bracket, there's the 2 screws that you need to use a short screwdriver with, and then on the side of it, on each side, there is 2 black clips that come with the kit. Make sure you use those. They look like the regular car clip, but they're really small, and you just push in the side. Super hard to film in there, else I'd show you guys. It's in there nice and sturdy now. We can go ahead and pull this off. Wiring's perfect. We zip tied it to the other taillight's wires, but when we get to the plug, that's when it gets messy. We actually had to cut the wires from the plug and the wiring harness from the car and splice in the new taillight wires, which is really unfortunate because it looks really messy now. But we had to do what we had to do. You should have been able to use these T-taps that it comes with, but it actually didn't cut through the plastic coating on here well enough to get a good connection. So we had to cut all the way through the wires and just splice them together. It's unfortunate, but by looking at this, you can probably tell what we did, but if you guys get stuck, just cut through the wires and splice it all together. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in the trunk and then show you guys how it looks. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers. Insane. Appreciate the love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.